Good morning. Welcome to Ummul Qura Education System. Okay, students, I am your English teacher and class LKG. Today our topic is alphabet from A to Z. Let's start ABC rhyme and phonics. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Happy, happy I shall be. Learn my ABC. Next time you will sing with me. Phonics A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z. Let's start the activity. Students, I have an activity for you. Let's start. We will arrange the letters of alphabet from A to Z. Today we will find out letters alphabet from alphabet cutouts. Let's start with me. Okay, student, now find out where is capital A. Yes, capital A, small a. Now we will find out capital B. Capital B, small b. Now we will find out capital C. Capital C, small c. Where is capital D? Where is? Yes, capital D, small d. Where is capital E? Where is capital E? Yes, capital E, small e. Capital F. Where is capital F? Okay, student, find out where is capital F. Okay, now we will find out capital F. Where is capital F? Yes, here is capital F. Capital F, small f. Where is capital G? Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Where is capital H? Yes, capital H, small h. Now find out capital I. Capital I, small I. Where is capital I? Find out capital I. Yes, capital I, small I. Okay, now find out capital J. Capital J, small j. Okay, let's start ABC with me. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Capital F, small f. Capital G, small g. Capital H, small h. Capital I, small I. Capital J, small j. Capital K, small k. Capital L, small l. Capital M, small m. Capital N, small n. Capital O, small o. Capital P, small p. Capital Q, small q. Capital R, small r. Capital S, small s. Capital T, small t. Capital U, small u. Capital V, small v. Capital W, small w. Capital X, small x. Capital Y, small y. Capital Z, small z. Okay kids, in this way you will do your work. Take care. Allah Hafiz.